Welcome. All right, so in this case, what I have is 4 tangent of t secant of t plus 2 secant of t divided by 6 tangent of t secant of t plus 2 secant of t. And in a problem like this, what I'm looking into simplifying this, the main important thing is you want to be able to see, how can we simplify this? What is the easiest way to kind of break this stuff down? And usually that comes into factoring, kind of see, what is it we can take out of our numerator or of our denominator that's going to maybe, make this as a simplified expression. So I look at my numerator and I see that, well, the numerator, both of my terms share a 2 and a secant. So I can factor out a 2 secant of t. When I factor out the 2 secant of t, I'm left with a 2 tangent of t plus 1. All right. Then I look at my denominator and say, all right, what can I factor out now out of the denominator? Well, in this case, I have a 6, but now I can factor out a 3. I'm sorry, I can still factor out a 2 secant of t. And now I'm left with, instead of a 2, I'm left with a 3 tangent of t plus 1. So therefore, I now have 2 tangent of t plus 1 divided by 3 tangent of t plus 1. And a lot of students will make the mistake. They say, oh, the tangents cancel out. But you got to be careful. This says 3 tangent of t plus 1. That is divided by 2 tangent of t, and that divides into the 1. So since these are not exactly the same, we cannot just cancel them out. We cannot just delete them out and say, oh, they divide into 1. This is actually going to be our simplified version. I'll give you like one example. If I had, let's say I had 1 over 4 plus 4x over 4. Well, if I was going to combine these into one fraction, we could write them as 1 over 4x divided by 4, right? But a lot of students, if they see this, you wouldn't say 1 plus 4x divided by 4. Oh, the 4's just cancel out, so I'm left with 1 plus x. Right? That doesn't work because you can see that 1 plus 4x, that comes from 1/4 plus 4x over 4. Or if we were even to simplify this, it would be 1/4 plus x. So we got to be very careful as when we're simplifying these not to fall under the pressures of wanting to divide these terms out. But there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That's going to be your simplified answer. Thanks.